Good morning. Today I'm going to talk to you about whether or not you need a business plan to start your first business. And the short answer is no. You don't need a business plan to start your business. So I'm going to give you two frameworks that I've learned recently that one I have implemented and one uh, I'm just going to talk through and talk to you about what I've learned about it, and maybe it can help you start your first business. So, my name is Michael, and I help young men in a 9 to 5 job start their first business and stay committed to it. So, click on that link in the description if you want to learn more about that. All right, so the first framework I'm going to talk to you about today is Alex Hermosi's offer framework. And the more I've been thinking about it, this is more of a like a service-based business framework. So if you're planning to give a customer your time and energy in exchange for money, then that's going to be more of a service-based business. If you're looking to actually build like a product, like a book or a supplement company or like a razor kit company, think of any like product you can think of, like a water bottle. Those are all products. So you have the service based business and then you have the product based business. So Alex Hermosi's framework, I think it's going to be a lot better for service based businesses. And yeah, I'm just going to get straight into that framework. So the first thing you want to do is, if you're looking to start a service based business, which is trading your time and energy for money, you want to think of your customer avatar. And this person is someone you can relate to. It's like a specific type of person that you know well, like you know their age, you know their gender, you know their interests, you know their problems. And the reason you may know it is because you've like spent time around this person in the past, or you were this person in the past. So that's the first thing you want to do is journal about your ideal avatar. Once you do that, you're going to create a dream outcome for them. So, for example, if your ideal avatar was someone who wanted to lose weight, they wanted to lose 20 pounds in 6 months, and you in the past have lost a good amount of weight, and you've created your own system to do that, well, then your customer avatar would be you before you lost the weight, and then the dream outcome would be losing the weight in a certain amount of time. So at the end of this process, you should be able to come up with a statement saying, I help this specific type of avatar get to this dream outcome. I know that sounds kind of vague, but for example, I help young men in their 20s lose 20 to 30 pounds within 6 months, and that's your business. So once you know the dream outcome, you're going to journal about all of the ways that this customer might not get to this dream outcome, or all the problems that might come up for this customer to get to this dream outcome. For example, they might be confused on how to eat healthy. They might not know what to buy at the grocery store. They might think it's going to take too much energy. They might think it's going to take too much time. They get overwhelmed by all the fitness information. These are all problems. And all of these problems you want to start listing. And you want to be very creative. Like you want to think of every single problem that might get in the way of getting to that dream outcome. So at the end of this, you're going to have a list of some maybe over 20 problems that would affect this ideal avatar getting to that dream outcome. So the last thing you're going to do is come up with solutions. You're going to come up with a solution to every single one of these problems. So, for example, grocery shopping is confusing and I don't know what to buy when I'm at the grocery store. Your solution can be a customized grocery list for this person. Your solution can be grocery shopping for this person. Your solution can be like a video of you going in the grocery store and like showing them what to actually buy. So you you want to come up with like as many solutions as you can for each single problem. So out of these like this list of 20 problems that you may have 50 solutions, which that's that's going to be a solid offer. So now that's basically your business. I help this dream or this avatar get to this dream outcome by offering these solutions. And it's that simple. Now, when you start marketing and selling this, and the customer has objections, oh, I like it's too much time. This is going to take too much time. Grocery shopping is too confusing. Eating healthy doesn't work. All of these objections were problems for the customer, but now you have solutions for all these problems. So your offer is going to be a lot more compelling and it's going to be easier for the customer to say yes. So hopefully that framework can help you if you're starting a service-based business. The next thing I'm going to talk about is a framework that you can follow for a product-based business. And I've never made a product myself. I do want to in the future at some point, but This is just what I've learned from MJ DeMarco, which is once I read his book, How to Escape the Great Rat Race, that totally changed my perspective on business. And just going to talk a little bit about the framework that he gives in his book, and maybe it could help you out. So it's called the Sense framework, and it's CENTS. The first one, C, commandment of control. So this means that your business revenue streams are diversified. So if your main marketing channel is Amazon, if 100% of your business comes from Amazon, that's not good. So you want to be diversified. You want to do Amazon. You want to distribute through your own website. You want to distribute through grocery stores. You want to have a multiple distribution routes. That way that if Amazon were to shut down, your business would be destroyed. But if you're diversified, then you have more control. So when you're thinking of your product business, just make sure it follows that. The next part of the sense framework is commandment of entry. And this is just basically saying the easier it is to start your business, the less opportunity there is. So, like, if there's a million people doing what you do, the harder it is going to be successful in that market. But the less people that are doing what you do, the more opportunity. It kind of sounds like common sense, but just make sure to differentiate your product from your competitors. That's basically what he means by commandment of entry. Commandment of need. You don't want to just have a product to have a product. You want a product that people actually need, that solves a problem. So, think of any product that you interact with. Your phone, that solves the problem of quick and easy communication. Your laptop, that solves a problem of being connected to the internet. It solves a problem of being connected to other people easily and conveniently. So don't just make a product to make a product to solve a problem and make sure that the customer actually needs it. The next one, commandment of time. You want to start a product business that gives you in the future will give you commandment of your time. So, for example, you want selling and distribution routes that can sell your product detached from your time. Like you can be sleeping and your product can still be getting sold. Like people can be clicking buy on the website. And so this is basically just saying that you want your time to be, you want this, you want to get to a point where it's like getting sold detached from your labor. It's just a system that's happening no matter what. So the next one is commandment of scale. And this one is just simply saying that your unit must be easily replicable, and there must be profit in it. So that's pretty simple. Just make sure you understand how your product is made and you can easily create it again. You don't want to just like make it once and then the next time it's different. You want to have like a formula to it and also make sure there's profit in it. You don't want to be losing money. So hopefully this framework can help you if you're looking to start a product-based business. And yeah, hopefully this gave you some value. Whether you're looking to start a service-based business, you can use Alex Hermosi's framework, which is the offer framework. Or if you're looking to use a product-based or start a product-based business, you can use MJ DeMarco's framework, the Sense framework, CENTS. So either way, you don't need a business plan. You can use these frameworks and get started sooner than you think. So again, click on that link in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you next video.